Welcome to the weekly Roundup report here at Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we are at the Dallas, Georgia location, so come on in, let's see what's happening.
Good morning.
Hi guys. So just like to introduce you to Jacob Carter. He is the manager here, and tell us a little bit about yourself, Jacob.
Yeah, nice to meet y'all. My name is Jacob. Deidre is actually my great aunt, and Chloe is my little sister. So runs in the family, and I'm happy to service y'all in Hiram.
What's up, Jackson?
Hey, today we just did a valve cover gasket on this Ford, and we're just verifying that we have no issues after repair.
Great, thank you so much. Philip, what's going on with the Chevy Cruze?
Today, the customer came in with a oil leak. We brought it in, put it up in the air. We're going to do a degrease and isolate because you can tell we have oil everywhere. We will take UV dye, put it inside the oil system. We will then clean the car off and inspect where the dye goes to pinpoint exactly where the oil leak is. As far as we can see right now, the timing cover is definitely leaking. I did look earlier, the valve cover is leaking, and we'll probably also be resealing the oil pan as well.
Wow, thanks. Paxton, what's going on with this car?
All right, yeah, so we got a Hyundai here. She had a valve cover. We diagnosed it a few weeks ago. We did a degrease and isolate. She's just returning for work today. So we just got her valve cover taken off. This is what it looks like under there. And we're just currently waiting on the gasket to come in and put it back together and test drive it.
Perfect. That's a wrap today at our Dallas/Hiram location. I'm gonna let Jacob take it away.
Yeah, absolutely enjoy having y'all here, and come see us 1340 Hiram Active Highway. Thank you.